Welcome to our channel. Today we talked about affiliate marketing profit kit. Still struggling to get that first sale as an affiliate? How to make money with affiliate marketing, even if you are a complete beginner. Keep reading to start making money selling other people's products. You'll learn how to discover profitable niches, select hot affiliate offers, create converting content, build an affiliate marketing business. From Stephen Britton. Dear future affiliate, I know you're excited about getting started with affiliate marketing. You've probably heard all sorts of great things about making money online selling other people's products. Now is the time. You might want to slow down. What you've been told about affiliate marketing. Harsh truth, most of the things you've been told about affiliate marketing are lies, hype, or half-truths. It pains me to say this, but if you were to just go with the info you have right now, you'll probably fail. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. No joke. Real story. How come? Well, tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of eager affiliate newbies just like you tried before you. And most of them quit. Don't let what happened to them happen to you. Believe me, earning a living middle-class wage online is not an accident. You don't luck into it. It doesn't happen randomly. Sadly, too many would-be affiliate marketer millionaires end up playing the online affiliate marketing game in all the wrong ways. They build website after website and make $0. They buy traffic and, after blowing through tons of cash, have very little to show for their investment. They write tons of content all day every day and very few people visit their sites. Of those that do manage to show up, very few, if any, click on ads. Does any of this sound familiar? If so, listen up. You don't have to fail. Start positioning yourself for success. You can learn to get out of the gate well positioned to succeed in the often dog-eat-dog hyper-competitive world of affiliate marketing. You don't have to settle for the crumbs left over by the big players of your niche. The solution? It truly is your blueprint to making money selling other people's products. Allow me to introduce Affiliate Marketing Profit Kit. True to its name, the Affiliate Marketing Profit Kit solves the following common yet fatal problems hounding both newbie and veteran affiliate marketers. How to pick a niche that is most likely to earn you money. How to pick a conversion platform that will produce the most money with the least effort. How to create content your niche audience will actually want to read and share. How to select affiliate offers the smart and efficient way. How to build an affiliate marketing business that will stand the test of time and fickle consumer trends. How to troubleshoot and optimize your affiliate marketing business for increased income. And a lot more. What's more, the Affiliate Marketing Profit Kit doesn't play any of the games that other failed and worthless affiliate marketing blueprints or master plans play. Here's exactly what you'll get inside. Main ebook, Affiliate Marketing Profit Kit. The Affiliate Marketing Profit Kit delivers. Asterisk plain English instructions. You don't have to be an affiliate marketing veteran to understand and carry out its powerful and effective instructions. Asterisk actionable information. You won't get any theory with this Profit Kit. Instead, you get solid practical step-by-step instructions you can carry out right here, right now. Asterisk scalable information. You don't get a one-trick pony instruction set that works now, but will be useless tomorrow. The affiliate marketing profit kit worked in the past, is working now, and will continue to work long into the future. Asterisk powerful traffic generation strategies. Most other online income blueprints or affiliate marketing guides completely leave out the most important part of affiliate marketing success: traffic. We give you powerful information you can use to both generate free traffic and handle paid traffic the right way. Asterisk guaranteed instructions. We are so confident that if you follow our instructions carefully and optimize it to your niche, you will get the results you want. We put our money where our mouths are. You get every single penny of your payment back if you are dissatisfied in any way in the next 30 days. Here are the chapters. Chapter 1, How to Pick the Right Niche. Chapter 2, Become a Niche Affiliate First. Chapter 3, Find your niche competitors and reverse engineer their model. Chapter 4, Reverse engineer your competitors' content strategy. Chapter 5, Getting traffic the smart way. Chapter 6, Master free traffic before spending $1 on paid traffic. Chapter 7, Optimize your conversion system for maximum income. Chapter 8, Optimize your content for maximum conversions. Chapter 9, Optimize your affiliate programs to maximize conversions. Chapter 10, How to build a multi-layered passive income affiliate marketing system. Download the Affiliate Marketing Profit KIT today and get the money-back guaranteed solution you need to start and dominate affiliate marketing. Special bonuses for taking action. Fast action bonus number 1, point-by-point checklist. View or print this handy checklist so that you can check off each point. It is like a summary of the entire guide, but in actionable, bite-sized points so that you can successfully get through the course. Fast action bonus number 2, resource cheat sheet. You'll also get access to a Rolodex of top sites, blogs, forums, tools, apps, and services to get you even further. Inside you'll find top blogs and forums, top tools, top tips and how-tos, plus more. Fast action bonus number 3, mind map. A quick glance over this mind map and you'll get an instant refresher of all the major points and action steps from the main guide. Does that sound good or what? How can I use this powerful guide right now? You can own Affiliate Marketing Profit Kit together with all the bonuses for a mere $7. That is a truly incredible deal. Did I mention this ebook is only $7? It's definitely a point worth repeating. You will be hard-pressed to find a more valuable resource. I'm delighted to have the chance to share this powerful guide with you. Again, you will receive the comprehensive and valuable insights for only $7. Please click the Add to Cart button right now and take ownership of this valuable ebook today. Once you get instant access, you can begin using what you learn in the ebook and get results as soon as today. Here's how to get started. 1. Simply click the button below. 2. Enter your information. 3. Within seconds of processing your order, you'll get instant access to the entire system. Grab Affiliate Marketing Profit Kit today and access it immediately after your purchase. no waiting in line, and even if it is 4 a.m. in the morning, you'll have instant access to the entire product in no time at all. Get instant access right now. Yes. I want instant access to Affiliate Marketing Profit Kit, which includes the following: the main ebook, Fast Action Bonus Checklist, Fast Action Bonus Resource Cheat Sheet, Fast Action Bonus Mind Map. Regular price $17. Today only $7. To your success. Stephen Britton. P.S. You'll discover all the steps, tools, and resources to help you finally reach your goals. P.P.S. You'll gain instant access immediately after payment. There's absolutely no waiting. If you buy from our link, we will provide you a surprise gift. Just share screenshot of purchase in this video comments. Thanks for watching.